Anyone who walks into your kitchen while you're baking this cake will instantly feel hungry. The aroma of this cake is warm, sweet, and irresistible. Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are great. Today we'll be making a very delicious coconut cake. So guys, let's get started. First you start by breaking in 3 eggs into your bowl, then pour in your sugar. Go ahead to give that a very good stir. Mix it properly till well combined. As you can see, I had some lumps of sugar in there. I spent time to stir it properly. Now go in with your melted butter. Your wet ingredients should be properly mixed. Use a whisk if you prefer until you're sure it's well combined. Now it's time to go in with your vanilla flavor. And I also added a cup of milk. When you do so, just stir everything together. When you've done that, that is it for the wet ingredients. Now to our dry ingredients. Sift in your flour into your bowl. You all know the importance of sifting your flour before baking. Also go in with your baking powder. Sift that in as well, and then you can add some salt, about a sprinkle of salt. Then go in with your shredded coconut. I used about a cup here. The full measurement of everything I use in this video will be in the description box. Now gently combine and mix everything together. As much as you need to combine it, make sure you do not overmix. A gentle hand goes a long way when making cakes, believe me, helping them stay soft instead of heavy. I added a little liquid to the cake because I want a soft cake. All you need to do basically is just fold the batter. One thing about coconut cake is that it gives a tropical flavor that everybody enjoys. So go ahead to line your baking pan with some parchment paper and then pour in your batter into the prepared pan. Make sure to spread it evenly. So guys, if you've watched to this point, I believe you've picked up 1 or 2 things from this video. Please consider subscribing. It's totally free. Your support will help grow this channel. Feel free to drop a comment and give me a thumbs up. That will go a long way in making YouTube push this video to people who love recipes like this. Do well to also share this video to your friends and loved ones. As much as possible, leave some shredded coconut so you can sprinkle it on top of your coconut cake. Okay? It makes it look even better. So after some minutes, our cake is ready. Guys, this cake tasted amazing. I'm telling you, the aroma of this cake will make your family members come into your kitchen and ask you, what are you baking? It is simply that good. Make sure when you bring it out of the oven, you let it sit for some time and cool down before slicing. It lets it set and makes slicing way more easier. This cake is perfect for tea, party, gatherings, for your birthday as well, or whenever you're craving a homemade treat. You can see little bits of coconut around the cake. Every bite is rich, creamy, and full of coconut goodness. If you're a coconut lover, this recipe is definitely the one to save. And you can see that you do not need any fancy equipment. Make sure to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Happy baking. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.